This is an educational video for anyone who buys my kit. I want to show you how to make a test strip. I've made videos before about test strips, but because we're kind of in winter, I want to show you that cyanotype can still work at this time of year. So make sure you read your instructions and try and find a frame, and then what you're going to do is you're going to find something that has the potential to become see-through. So I've pressed these flowers from earlier in the year. If it's overcast, you want to choose a spot that would have the sunshine. But because we do have the sunshine, we can clearly see where it is at this time of day. We are trying to establish how long to leave something out in the sun for. So we'll put it out in the sun for 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes we'll block a small section. We'll block it for another 2 minutes. Then we will block a new section for 4 minutes, and we will keep on doing this until we have increasing time frames, essentially doubling. Then you're going to wash your print in some water, and you can already see the clear difference. So what you can see here is intervals of 4, 8, oh, hi Luna. At 4 minutes, you didn't get any see-throughness, but as you go up to between 16 and 32, no, Luna. Look at this test strip I did in the middle of summer. Between 4 and 6 minutes was actually the ideal time. But because we're nearer the end of the year and the sun isn't as strong, you need a little bit more time. I always include a free tester print in the kits so that you can do this yourself at home. Now the test strip really works for items that go see-through. These items will only give you silhouettes, so you don't really need to do a test strip.